Getting some breaking updates right now. The Board of Control for Cricket, the BCCI in India, Treasurer Arun Dhumal has said that India's tour of South Africa remains on schedule, provided the situation does not aggravate in the backdrop of the rising concerns over COVID variant. And this is the latest statement that we are getting from the BCCI ahead of India's tour to South Africa. In fact, we are being joined by Srijani from the digital desk. Srijani, the statement now being put out by the BCCI that India's tour to South Africa will go ahead, and there is, of course, looming concerns over the spread of COVID variant, and we also know that the virus, the variant, in fact, was first detected in South Africa. Isn't it also a matter of concern?
Yes, absolutely, Samiksha. In what can be a big relief for all cricket fans around the country, the BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has given his assurance on India's upcoming tour of South Africa amid the resurgence of COVID-19 cases in the country. Well, the tour remains on as of now, and BCCI, while prioritizing players' safety, has been confident that the biobubble environment will keep players safe in South Africa. The first test will be played from December 17th in Johannesburg. With so many sporting events being cancelled one after the other, it remains to be seen as to how the impact of the first test in South Africa would be. Back to the studio.
Well, thanks, Srijani, for getting us all those updates. So that is the latest that we are learning with respect to India's tour to South Africa, which will go on as scheduled. And of course, this comes in the backdrop of the rising concerns over the variant Omicron.